Hi guys, my name is Esmerai, and today I will talk about collocations, specifically those that use verb plus adverb. Okay, in English, collocations are simply two or more words that are always used together. The collocations can express actions, emotions, or ideas. On this day, I'm going to talk to you about the collocations that are made up of verb plus adverb. We have sentence. We have sentence. For example, the positions adverb. I draw very fast. She spoke slowly. In English, there is not as much freedom in the collocations of an adverb as in Spanish. The positions of the adverb is linked to the role it plays on prayer. We have more sentence. Its positions behind the direct complement or behind the verb. There are some special exceptions, but we don't have this. We have more sentence. For example, I finally broke my record. Please close the door slowly. I haven't seen him lately. And is that comfortably. How can you see when using them we give a more appropriate meaning to the phrase? But by using them with a verb, we modify the meaning of the verb. When learning English, you will encounter many phrases how you are. We have more sentence. They walked close to each other. They walked close to each other. We have a verb plus adverb. The math teacher explains things too fast. And he cleans the kitchen after he finished cooking. It is important that you review individually and in full sentence where verb plus adverb are used. Well, I hope this information has served you. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.